I think it's 8 months or 1 year before they contacted me from Slovenia. We have a training from you about 3 months to come to Slovenia and to see our center. We have a big center for burn and reconstructive surgery to see. And they asked me some documentary, and I prepared all of these documents to send them by email for several times. And they told me one time, okay, everything is okay, we prepare your visa, you can go at Kako and at the embassy of Italia to prepare your visa, and after 1 month you can come at Slovenia. Unfortunately, when I prepared all of that document, I sent all of things. It's now around maybe 8 months to stop all of things. I don't know exactly what happened. I had at first several contacts by phone, by email, but now